welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kotsi, but of course, you guys know me as Kotsi. So yeah, welcome to my channel. So today I actually wanted to do something new that I've never ever done. These days I'm so into trying new hairstyles, As you can see, I curled my braids and I love it. I actually love it. It's really nice. And I wanted you guys to see how I curl them, and these are short braids, so you don't have the nice finished end like where you can do whatever. So I want to show you guys how you can get them this curled and how they can be snatching like mine. So don't forget to click on the notification button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I always come with new things. I always come with new things and exciting things, and I'm exciting like that. So yeah, guys, don't forget to tell your friends about this channel, and don't forget to like this video. So yeah, hope you do enjoy this video, and yeah, enjoy, sweetie. I really had to go fetch a jersey because it was getting cold. So now I'm just unplating these things. And yeah, I really hope whatever that was going on in my mind will be what I get here. Because wow, if I don't get it, I'm gonna be feeling really bad. Oh wow, it curled. So yeah, anyway guys, how are you? I just thought I would switch over from just me and me just showing you guys what I'm doing and just have like a conversation with you guys, even if it's just going to be for a minute or two or whatever. I just wanted to find out how is everyone, how are you guys keeping up, and if you're in varsity, how's e-learning treating you, if you're going back to work or you're working from home, how you doing, how's just everything, guys? Like, wow, how's everything? Anyway, yeah, I just hope you're all doing good. I just hope everybody's doing well and you're taking care of yourselves, because I care about you guys and I just want you guys to be well. Okay, it's really doing something nice, eh? It's doing something nice. It's nice. It curled, and yeah, by the way, my hair is wet. I just took like 15 minutes before I did this, so yeah, meaning my hair is still wet. If I get flu, guys, it's because I had to, because I was just too excited for me to just wait for it, so it is what it is. I might need this. I might not need this. We will see, because I'm just talking a whole lot of nonsense. But yeah, it is what it is. But it's coming out alright. It's really nice. Nice. I'm loving it. I am loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This is really nice. Wow. This is really nice. Wow. Wow. Okay. This is really, really nice. Like, this is really nice. And I love it. Wow. Something new for me to do when I have short braids on, because I never really thought of it. For me, short braids were always like low maintenance, no new hairstyle to be done, just letting it be. But this is really, really nice. I like it. I like them curled. Let's see how will they look. Maybe I'll show you guys in a different lighting, because I know my room's lighting is not that nice. But yeah, this is really, really nice. This is nice. Let me go find different lighting for you guys to see these, because this is really nice. I like it. I said I like it like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it parted. I like it side parted. I like it. It's really nice. It's really nice. If you do end up doing those short braids, you should do this. This is really nice. This is really, really nice. I had to go find a different lighting. But yeah, this is really, really nice. I like it. And as you can see, I'm gonna take a few pictures, and maybe I might have a picture in there at the end when I'm still editing. But really, this is really, really nice. I like it. I like it. Like, this is middle part, and then let's see side part. It's still very nice, eh? It's nice. It's really nice. It's really, really nice. So yeah, I like it. I like it, guys. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So short braids are not just limited to being straight and boring. They can just be amazing. But I like the middle part more, because wow. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I really appreciate your support, guys. And I just like you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and always don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on that notification button, and don't forget to like this video, especially if you are inspired to do these. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Wow, so today, but it's fine. We carry on. Life goes on, even if the English runs away. It's fine. Anyway, see you guys on the next video. And yeah, I'm liking this. I'm gonna go take a lot of, not just one picture, just a lot of pictures. And then yeah, see you guys on the next video. Bye, sweetie.